Hello. In this training, we're going to talk about very important subject for you, the reseller and the installer of the MLPE system. When we talk about advantages of MLPE, there are very clear advantages like more energy because the module level optimization, the module level monitoring, the safety, the flexibility, but all of these advantages are advantages to the system owner. It is the system owner safety, the system owner more energy. It's not the reseller more energy. Today I'm going to talk about the advantages for the reseller and the installer, not just the advantages for the system owner. When we talk about MLPE, why selling MLPE, not why using. Why using is very clear. When I'm selling a premium product, I'm differentiating myself from the industry. I'm not just selling another string inverter. I can have a more premium product. I have safety during the installation. The safety is not just when I'm operating the system and having all these advantages of rapid shutdown and hour protection. I also have safe DC voltage while I'm installing and maintaining. And of course, giving service to MLPE system is much simpler in case you're the one giving the service, because you can do a lot of the maintenance remotely. You can look into the panels to understand the system condition and not waste your time looking for a problem with a DVM, disconnecting the different panels and checking what's the status of the panels. You can see a lot of these things remotely, and in many cases also fix, have software upgrades, etc. remotely with no need to go to the system and start disconnecting and connecting things and wasting time and money traveling. So I have these clear advantages of safety to myself doing installation, of maintenance, and of selling a premium product. But there are two more advantages that people tend to forget about. First, because of the flexibility, because of the fact I can put panels everywhere without the constraints of minimum string length, maximum string length, different orientations, etc., I have less constraints, I'm more flexible, I can sell bigger systems. You're going to the site anyway, you're doing the work, you're having the people, you're having the constructions, etc. Why not sell 10%, 50%, even one more panel can make a big difference in the final profits from the system. Instead of selling 10 panels, let's sell 11 panels, let's sell 12 panels. Because I can put panels in different orientations. Look at the system, how many different orientations, I can put different panel sizes, I can put things that I could never put with traditional string inverter. Also here, I can just fill up the roof with panels and panels without the constraints. Oh, here I have an air condition, I cannot put a string of 15, I need to put only 14, and now I need to put all the parallel strings in the same size. No, wherever I have room to put more panels, I can put more panels. So of course, don't oversell when it's not needed, but usually the most expensive part of the system is the real estate of the roof itself, and people want to maximize the roof utilization. With MLPE, you can maximize the roof utilization for the system owner and sell more panels, sell bigger systems. Another advantage is the support of older panels. You installed systems 3, 4, 5 years ago of panels of 250, 220, sometimes 300 watts. Today, there is no chance you can find these panels if you didn't keep stock of exact same panels in your warehouse. What would happen in 5 years from now, in 10 years from now? If you installed the 300 watt panels 2 years ago, how can you find this exact panel with the same IV curve 10 years from today? Probably you could not, especially not in large quantities. When you have MLPE, you don't have this problem because each panel or two panels is operating individually, and you have the advantage that you can just change one or two panels instead of changing the entire string or the entire array connected to inverter. It's much simpler, much cheaper, and you don't need to keep stock of old panels and just use whatever in the market the most newest technology, and it will work and work perfectly without degrading the system and just improving the system. So you have better future compatibility with whatever is in the industry at that time. These are two new advantages I wanted you to know when you're selling MLPE. Thank you very much.